Give me a minute and I'll show you how Anthos can help you rapidly build and deploy hybrid and multi-cloud applications without compromising security or increasing complexity. Anthos is a hybrid and multi-cloud application modernization platform. Embracing open standards, it lets you run your apps unmodified on existing on-prem hardware or in public cloud, simply, flexibly, and securely. Can't wait to try it? Set up your own sample deployment at Google/tryanthos. Anthos enables containerized microservices architecture-based apps across multiple platforms, clusters, and locations. It allows for consistent policy and configuration management, provides observability through golden signals, and delivers a zero-trust security model for your apps. Anthos can be used to re-platform virtual machines, modernize existing apps applying modern CI/CD principles and security, reduce operational expenditure with no vendor lock-in. So, next time you're thinking about hybrid and multi-cloud application platforms, take a minute to look at Anthos. For more info, check out cloud.google.com/Anthos.